Welcome to the King of Iron Fist Tournament, Lili.
Lili, the only daughter of a wealthy oil magnate in Monaco. 4 years ago, she was captured and held ransom for that very reason. While in captivity, she struggled violently to free herself, taking out one of her captors. That fight triggered her hunger for battle. However, Lili's father was a good-hearted man who hated conflict. I don't want father to be upset with me, but I also want to fight. Lili could no longer control her urge to fight. Under the guise of a simple vacation, she used the family's private jet to take part in street fighting tournaments around the world. One day, she receives an invitation to a certain fighting tournament from an opponent she defeated in San Francisco. Lili soon realizes that the host of this tournament was none other than the Mishima Zaibatsu, the main source of her father's problems. She decides to enter the tournament and put an end to her father's business troubles.
Get ready for the next battle.
This is a great place to fight. Don't you think?
Round 1. Fight.
Yeah!
You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
It's time for my afternoon tea. Farewell.
Get ready for the next battle.
Come on.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle.
Come on.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Time for my afternoon tea. Farewell.
Get ready for the next battle.
This place is breathtaking. I really like it here.
毎度ながらさっぱりわからんでごわすな。お嬢ちゃん、この場所わかるでごわすか？ね。
Wow, such robust eyebrows. Just like my father. No, I can't.
What?
I must remain focused until I've defeated Mishima.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight.
You have a strapping face, but you're not very good, are you?
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Please don't tell my father.
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win. Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Please don't tell my father.
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2. Fight. You win.
Sebastian, can't you do better than this?
Get ready for the next battle.
So you're Mishima.
いかにもわしの名は三島陣八
I must eliminate you. For my father's sake.
Round 1. Fight. You win. Round 2.
for my afternoon tea. Farewell. Now that I have taken care of the Mishima Zaibatsu for my father, I'm sure he would be thrilled.
Truly splendid, Miss Lily.
Sebastian, you're too much. I only did what any daughter would
do. Rochefort Enterprises, a world-famous oil company, has filed for bankruptcy. Industry analysts speculate it is due to the split-up of the Mishima Zaibatsu, a major business partner.